How many years behind do you think the industry is? 2020 to 2022, huge digital transformation. Many companies were forced to change the way they operated, but there's still a lot of companies that are trying to hairpin back all their traffic back to that physical box that's at their corporate location so that it makes it seem like all the remote workers are now working inside that building, and then they can get access to their resources.
And the reason they do that, by the way, is make work this old model, this notion of the data center as the castle that you got to protect, right? But what that approach fails to fully acknowledge is that the world we're living in is just very different. And so this architecture shift here that we're talking about is what they generally call zero trust. And so what you have to do is you have to actually implement security at all these different locations. So I think companies are starting to see it because there's just so many challenges with the old way of doing things. But it's, again, one of those things that takes time. But there's clearly a direction to the industry going toward that zero trust architecture.